She might have misunderstood of passing from hitting because I did not hit her. Hit her is like, you know what hit is, sir? Like a punch. It was not. That's not. Yeah, I passed something to her.
Are you hurt anywhere? You good?
No, because he just grabbed out the phone and the wallet and did this on me, like hitting me there.
Hitting you
but
there?
It wasn't like with his hand that he hit.
Okay.
Is that good? It's not too tight?
Okay.
They looking at the recording and they said that he hit her twice and he didn't. Like that shit's what's wild. Like that's what's crazy to me.
On September 7th, 2025, a passenger at Orlando International Airport was arrested for battery after a TSA agent claimed he struck her with his cell phone during security screening. This case illustrates how Florida's expansive battery statute intersects with TSA checkpoint procedures.
She said, "Do you have anything in your pocket?" I said, "Yes, I do have anything in your pocket. I had my ID and this is my phone in my pocket."
I'll be right out in front of TSA on the B
when
side.
When I went to the thing, she told me
West checkpoint.
Go
ahead.
When I went to the little bubble thing, she told me to put my hands up. I went like this. She checked me. Told me to go through. When I go through, she like
10-4 in the line.
She like, "You can't have the phone in your pocket." And I handed the phone off to the guy or whoever was standing there. I was like, "No, you can have the phone." She ran over there and said, I hit her with the phone. So I came back right there to go put my phone through. My wife had yelled at her and said, "She just so dumb that you hit her with a phone." I said, "I hit her with a phone?" How did I hit her with a phone? It'd be on camera. I said, "What you want me to call my lawyer? If I hit her with a phone, it should be on camera. You should be able to sit on camera right now and see that I hit this lady with a phone right now. You should be able to see it, sir. Man, you should be able to sit on camera right now if I physically assaulted her. I know how this goes. You see, I know I'm an important person. I know how this goes. I have a lawyer. If I hit you with a camera, we should go right downstairs right now and be able to look at that and see me hitting you, putting hands on you. I'm on your body camera. You should see me hitting you with a camera. You should see me hitting you."
Stop moving your hands around. Sorry. You're an adult.
Yeah, but I'm saying you should see me. You used to hit to take a punch. You have to raise your hand and swing or whatever. You have to hit somebody. You have to use force. You have to hit. You know what I'm saying? So
do you have any idea what she may have missed? So you're saying you didn't hit her?
She might have misunderstood of passing from hitting because I did not hit her. Hit her is like, you know what hit is, sir? Like a punch. It was not. That's not. Yeah, I passed something to her. I did not.
You don't have to strike somebody for them to say that you hit them. If you just touch them without you be quiet now and I talk.
Okay.
You just touch them without their permission.
Yes.
That's a battery in the state of Florida, and you go to jail for that. If they want to press charges.
I didn't know that. Okay. I was walking through with my daughter, and she asked me to hand her something. She's like, "What do you have in your pocket?" I just handed it to her, and then she ran.
But then you start cursing at everybody.
Because
that makes the situation so much more worse.
You know why?
Because even an adult acting like a 3-year-old,
I see
you make it way worse.
You're right about that, but I'm going to tell you why I did that. Because I felt like I was being framed at the time. I felt like somebody was framing me because I know what that can.
Then you stop and you let people talk to you.
And I didn't see no higher authority. That's why I didn't see you at first.
The guy you cussed out was a supervisor.
But he wasn't trying to hit. He was just straight being mean to me. He didn't give me a chance. Like how you give me a chance to display my side of the story.
Where's your ID?
It's still up there with them because I put it in the machine.
It's still up there with them?
That's why I had it in my pocket when she's like, "What's in your pocket?" When I had passed it to her, that was my ID and my phone. And I put it in the machine and I left off.
So you're saying that you were just passing her your phone?
You can see it on the camera. On my life. I will go up here with you and sit here with you. Like,
stay here. You guys hang out with him, please.
To do the rescan, to put his stuff back in. And then she's like, "I'm not having that. He hit me twice with the phone." He gave her the phone. He might have had a little aggression with it, but it was not like a here. Yeah, he just like, "Here you go, my bad," like or whatever. And now he can't fly or do nothing because of that. Like they're talking about we got cameras, it's an assault. Like how? And we gotta catch a flight. Like this is a time management place. It's at we board at 7:50.
What time?
At 7:50. Like talking about he can't fly no more. He's not going nowhere. It's like, bro, we just trying to go home. Like,
where's home?
In Miami. Not even far. Like we just trying to get there. We already missed the flight at 12 o'clock. At 3 o'clock we got. Yeah, it's like this is annoying. And so that's where his irritation is coming from. It wasn't towards her or nothing. She just took it like, yeah, and it's not. You work here with all these people. You deal with so many different personalities and people attitudes. You cannot do that. That's not right.
Are you hurt anywhere? You good?
No, because he just grabbed out the phone and the wallet and did this on me, like hitting me there.
Hitting you
But
there?
it wasn't like with his hand that he hit.
Okay. Do you want to press charges? Yes. All right. What was this? What was his issue?
Nothing. He just pulled the thing from the bag.
He just
from
pulled
the
it out and
pocket. Yeah, he
just-
pulled it, and then he just like put it on the X-ray, like, and then hit me over there, like for no reason.
Okay.
Instead of giving it to the officer, that asking for it.
All right.
He just did this.
Okay. So he had no dispute with anybody else prior to that. He just.
No, then after that, the wife was asking, like, I said, yeah, he just, hit me with the phone. You're such a and then just start like yelling and.
Okay. So just put your name here. Put your name right here, and then just write down what happened. Okay. Just a little short. He came through your checkpoint. Told him. Did you tell him to put the phone at the?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
I'm not even asking to hold it.
You didn't even say anything
No,
to him? Okay.
the officer was the one. Do you have anything in your pockets? He pulled the phone and the wallet, and then he just like put it on the X-ray to me.
So so just write that down,
Okay.
and write down exactly what happened, and then just put down that you want to press charges at the end. So you understand how it all works, right? With pressing charges.
No, not at all.
Okay, so you want to press charges for is a battery. He struck you with the phone. He'll be going to jail, and then there would be a court date where he would have to go to court, and you would possibly have to show up to provide your testimony. So
And then if I don't press charge, what will be?
if you don't press charges, he doesn't go to jail.
He just let it go.
He doesn't go to jail, and then he go about his day. So it just depends. Yeah, it just depends if you want him to go to jail today or not. So.
I mean, I don't know, because he not even like hit me like hard, like he grabbed me or something.
Well,
He just-
it's up to you what you want to do. Okay, we can't tell you, we can't persuade you one way or the other. It's up to you on how you want to go about it. So if you don't want to press, you don't even have to write a statement. You don't have to do any of that. He'll go on about his day. You go on about the rest of your day. But if you do, you write a statement. He goes to jail, and we'll go from there. So those are your two options. So don't worry about that. Don't worry about that part. Let's see here.
Copy. I'll be right there. I don't know if I'm missing something now.
Thank you.
Okay. So then just put that you would like to print charges. Say I would like to print charges.
So do me a favor. I'm happy to pay you right now. Okay. While we look at the video and whatnot.
You put your hand together like you're praying. All right.
Is that good? It's not too tight?
Okay.
It's gonna double. I'm gonna block them so they don't get tighter.
Do you need to give anything to your wife?
No.
No.
Yes. Yeah, my daughter. I have to get somebody to come get my daughter.
Okay.
That's not her mom.
Okay.
I thought she said,
Who do you want to get your daughter?
my grandmother. And I thought they said we was going to look at a video first.
The other officer that's going to actually be pressing charges will talk to you.
Can I come?
He needs you to call his grandmother.
Can I talk to him?
You can talk from there.
Yeah.
Can I have his jewelry and all that shit? If y'all taking him to jail, I'm not going for that shit. Like, I have your.
Babe, did I hear her?
You did not, bro. That's what's pissing me off, bro. Like,
Don't do that. They checking the video. I'm detained right now. Don't cry. You're not.
Down
you didn't do nothing, bro.
I know.
Doing
That's
an
why
investigation. They're watching the video.
they detaining. That means
Y'all have to handcuff him.
Yes, that's
Like, his daughter is watching that.
That's why we had you go over there to stand over there.
She sees stuff still. You like, can I take his jewelry off of him before y'all do anything, bro? Like,
don't let her see me in cuffs.
you are this.
They is glorious, bro.
Just give me a few minutes and I'll come over and talk to you.
Yeah, don't let my daughter see it, man.
After reviewing the footage, officers determined it supported the TSA agent's account of the incident and proceeded with the arrest.
They looked at the video, and from what they see, it shows that you did hit his license to him. Yeah. And then they won question.
Bro, I hit her twice with the
That's what the video says. Listen, man. We can't do anything about it here. You have to fight it in court, okay? That's you have to take legal steps towards this. But here's not an occasion.
Unfortunately, because they won't press charges, it has to go, and then you guys.
Right.
believe that, bro. That's dead, bro. That's so sad for my little daughter, man. Like,
So, with that being said, do you want her to take your jewelry and all your possessions?
Yeah, but she got to go above them, bro. Like, yeah, this is
Okay.
like the winning. Like, I don't have to leave that in front of my daughter, bro. Like, okay, I don't want to hurt her like that, bro.
I get it. We can go this way. Hey.
This I hit her twice.
On the video?
Yes.
No. Can I take his jewelry, bro?
Yeah. Well, give us a sec. Give us a sec.
Oh, so but I'm saying what jail? We don't need here.
Orange County.
Orange County?
Yes.
We'll give you the address.
Can I take his jewelry off?
We'll bring him over here so that we're not sending your daughter.
I cannot leave his daughter.
We'll take his stuff. We'll give it to you. Everything's on camera. We're not taking
We have to
it.
cut him down before we take him. We'll put it in the paper bag. We'll do that, all the stuff on it.
Hey, right, she has to go to school. She's just trying to get, bro. They looking at the recording and they said that he hit her twice and he didn't. Like that shit's what's wild. Like that's what's crazy to me. Because I watched the whole thing.
Unfortunately, when the other party wants to press charges, I can't tell them.
And she's trying to press charges because she want to be petty because she feel entitled because her mother. Bro. Exactly, that's why she want to press charges because she's seeing what you got on and she think that you got some money, bro. Like that's fucking killing me, bro. And it's like he has a 5-year-old daughter with him. Like
I understand.
she's right here. I'm watching her, and I'm trying not to have her see all of this.
They say I hit her twice, though.
Exactly.
I really want to ask you, but
No, I know you didn't hear her.
my phone.
Yes, and then you went out and you was confused. And you came out because you was confused about the thing, and they said no. Like, oh my god, bro! Like, and I don't even want to get on this flight and while you're still here.
Yeah, I want to bring him over there.
But I don't. But I have to take her to school.
Are you taking him to jail?
No, I'm doing the opposite of this.
Okay.
If somebody else want to do a quick report,
It's okay, babe. Just don't. It's okay. It's okay, babe.
I don't mind. I just don't have a car.
It's okay, babe.
Is that it? Everything? Like your plan? Put them together? Palm together?
Sounds good.
There you go.
That way it's not gonna hurt it.
Not really. It's like a 20-minute ride, give or take. Let me know they're too tight.
No, it's all right.
That's all right?
Yeah, I have to.
it's only like 15 minutes.
All right, have a seat in there for me, sir. Put the seatbelt on. If you don't mind looking over that way for me. You're good, bro. I'll give you some AC. I'll put a foot blast for you.
So I asked how long the ride was, so when we
Take 20 minutes. Okay. I know it's a little uncomfortable in there. You're a taller guy.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. Florida Statute 784.03 defines battery as intentionally touching or striking another person against their will. Critically, the statute requires no injury, no force, and no hostile intent. The only intent required is the intent to make contact. A tap on the shoulder without permission legally qualifies. State v. Hearns established that prosecutors must prove the defendant intended to touch, not that he intended harm. However, Beard v. State clarifies that accidental or incidental touching is insufficient for battery. The central legal question, does implied consent to TSA screening include consent to incidental contact during item transfers? When passengers enter security checkpoints, courts recognize the implied consent doctrine. You consent to screening by choosing to fly, but federal courts limit TSA authority. In United States v. Marquez, the court ruled TSA searches must focus on weapons and explosives. Searches extending beyond that purpose and motivated by general law enforcement may violate Fourth Amendment protections. Under Florida Statute 901.15, officers can arrest for battery based on probable cause, even without witnessing the incident. Probable cause is a lower standard than proof beyond reasonable doubt needed for conviction. The subject receives a C-. His fundamental error was making extensive statements without legal counsel. Under Miranda principles, anything you say can be used against you, but your silence generally cannot. His profanity-laced outburst created an impression of volatility rather than calm innocence, weakening his credibility. However, he receives credit for non-resistance, cooperation during arrest, and maintaining concern for his daughter's welfare. The TSA agent receives a C. Without video evidence or her testimony, full evaluation is impossible. If the contact was genuinely aggressive, her response was justified. TSA agents have the right to work without being battered. However, if the video shows ambiguous contact during a confused handoff, pursuing criminal charges shows poor conflict resolution. De-escalation should be the first response, not law enforcement intervention, particularly for minimal contact with no injury. The Orlando officers receive a B+ for professional conduct and accurate legal explanation. They correctly explained Florida battery law, conducted thorough investigation, and maintained empathetic demeanor throughout. Points deducted for not analyzing whether implied consent to screening creates different legal framework for incidental contact. They also did not consider alternatives to physical arrest, such as a notice to appear, despite the subject's cooperation. Key lessons from this case. First, exercise your right to remain silent. Never make detailed statements to police without legal representation, even if you believe you're innocent. Second, maintain emotional control. Your demeanor affects how officers, prosecutors, and juries perceive you. Third, understand that video evidence can be interpreted multiple ways. What looks like a handoff to you may look like a strike to others. Fourth, know the distinction between probable cause for arrest and proof beyond reasonable doubt for conviction. Being arrested does not mean you will be convicted. The legal battle often happens later in court, not at the scene. Finally, TSA screening creates unique legal complexities. Implied consent to screening may not extend to all physical contact. This case highlights systemic questions about when minimal contact should trigger criminal prosecution. A father was arrested in front of his daughter. A family's travel plans were destroyed. Criminal court resources were expended, all for an incident involving minimal contact with no injury arising from TSA screening confusion. Better choices by all parties could have prevented this outcome. The subject could have remained calm and requested counsel. The TSA agent could have considered whether the incident warranted criminal charges or could be resolved another way. The officers could have explored alternatives to physical arrest given the circumstances. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more legal content.